Hey guys, so in today's DIY, what you're going to need is a plain white t-shirt. I'm going to be using fabric markers to create the art on the t-shirt. And I know we are heading into winter and I probably should get started on winter DIYs, but I've had this in mind for so long that I just kind of want to do it. I'm super excited because I can already imagine the outcome, so I'm really excited. So obviously I'm going to be drawing using fabric markers, and I do not want the marker to transfer over to the other side of the t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is trace the actual t-shirt on a piece of cardboard. I'm going to cut it out when I'm done. Alright, so now that I have it on, this is what it looks like. It does a really good job sort of stretching out the fabric for me, so that way my drawing can come out really good. And this might look familiar to some of you. Let's go ahead and get started. This is it, guys, all done. I think it looks beautiful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you're following me on IGTV. I'll be doing tons and tons more DIY. Anyways, I will see you on my next DIY video. Have a great day. Bye.